Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to change screen lock to pattern model on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, for those of you, if you want your cell phone to be more secure, you should change your cell phone password regularly and continuously. Alright guys, to change the screen lock to pattern model is very easy. So without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial on how to change the screen lock. Alright guys, the first thing first that you have to do is, of course, now you can go to settings menu on your cell phone like this, and then now you can scroll down again, and now you can go to fingerprint, face data, and screen lock. Alright, now go to screen lock and then enter your recent password, and then I will choose pattern for my new screen lock. Alright, now you can set the pattern and you can confirm it. And now we try together. And so as you can see that the new screen lock of pattern is already set. Alright guys, here's the tutorial and thank you.